start with the some of the another property of the operator or one of the operator defined on a vector space V. So, again let A belongs to M and F, that is A is n cross n matrix and T is or T of A is linear operator defined from M and F to M and F, such that T of A of x is equal to simply A of x, then this TA is always linear operator. Then the properties of this TA, we can directly check that the rank of TA is n time rank of A. Again, nullity of TA is n time nullity of A. Again, trace of TA is n time trace of matrix A, and TA is non-singular if and only if A is non-singular. And further properties are lambda belongs to F is an eigenvalue of TA if and only if lambda is an eigenvalue of A. That is, every eigenvalue of A is also eigenvalue of TA, and every eigenvalue of TA is eigenvalue of A. And if lambda belongs to F is an eigenvalue of A such that algebraic multiplicity of lambda is equal to K with respect to matrix A, that is the AM of A is K, AM of lambda is K in the characteristic polynomial of A, then this is implies AM of lambda is n time K with respect to operator T of A. So, if AM of lambda is K, then AM in TA is always n time K, and similarly same relation for geometric multiplicity of eigenvalue, that is GM of lambda with respect to TA is n time geometric multiplicity of lambda with respect to A. And another property, minimal polynomial of TA is always same as minimal polynomial of A. And if A and B are any two matrices whose minimal polynomial is same, then A is diagonizable if and only if B is diagonizable, if minimal polynomial of A and B are same. So, this can by this property we can imply that T of A is diagonizable if and only if A is diagonizable. So, these are the most important properties of this operator. Let's start with the question. The question is, this question is question of December 2014 and question number is 76, and question is, if A is matrix belonging to M and F, that is n cross n matrix, define our field F and consider the operator T defined from M and F to M and F such that T of x is equal to A of x, where x is again n cross n matrix. Then first property is trace of T is equal to n times summation of I varying from 1 to n A of ij, where A of ij is simply the entries of given matrix A. Second property is trace of T is equal to summation I varying from 1 to n summation j varying from 1 to n A of ij, that is sum of all entries of given matrix A. And third property is rank of T is n square, and fourth one is T is non-singular, and also given that this A is a non-singular matrix. So A is any n cross n non-singular matrix, and T is operator defined from MNF to MNF such that T of x equal to Ax. So we can directly check by the third property, trace of TA is m time trace of A, where m in this case m equal to n. So first option is directly correct, second option is incorrect. Now rank of A is n, since A is a non-singular matrix, so rank of A is n implies the rank of TA is n into n, that is n square, and the rank of T is n square, and dimension of codomain is also n square. So this T is onto transformation implies T is non-singular, or we can apply this direct property, last property, TA is non-singular if and only if A is non-singular. So A is non-singular implies T is non-singular. So these first, third and fourth option are correct option.